My name's Brad Hogerheide. I'm the Director of Supply Chain Excellence for Phinia. We are a Tier 1 automotive manufacturer. Only 10 months in existence so far. We have spun off from another Tier 1 automotive supplier called Borgwarner. We've been using Ivalua for several years now between Borgwarner and Phinia. Our most recent challenge was having to clone the environment as part of the spinoff. So it's been a real interesting learning experience. We've worked with a third-party implementation partner called Optis. They've supported us in the cloning efforts. Our timeline was quite short. When we announced the spin was happening, within 6 months, we had to be off a majority of the Borgwarner tools, and the Ivalua procurement portal being one of them. So Optis really supported us quickly in order to really develop a one-for-one clone that ultimately was really seamless for our users. Our internal, buyers, supplier development engineers, people that use the tool on a daily basis, honestly, other than the URL change, really had no idea that we had put so much work into actually cloning the environment. We use it for direct material primarily. We kind of call it source to launch. I hear a lot of S2C and P2P, but what we do for direct material is really focused on the process of the sourcing, a sourcing pipeline, developing that visibility, managing the flow, and really monitoring the process of sourcing, but all the way through to the launch side, which for us means APQP. We've digitized, we worked with Ivalua in the digital environment, so APQP is all electronic now. All of our suppliers are interacting with us in that way. So that's the big part. We do contract management, not as well as maybe we should, but that's a focus as well. And starting to really look at the process of, let's say, supplier 360 and real vendor management going forward. Let's see, I've done it for the last 15 or so years. I don't see myself leaving anytime soon. A lot of the people I see here, it's a challenging environment, but one where you can truly find successes, I guess. For those that know me, I don't like to use the cliche win-win, but I like positive outcomes, right? And I like to focus on positive outcomes even on the procurement side, and using tools and finding ways to make things more efficient, to me is always a really good scenario.